Hello everyone, and welcome to episode 4 of starting my new journey. I do want to let y'all in on a little bit of something. I don't know if I said this in episode 3, but I did join someone's mentorship. And wait, let's rewind. Where are my manners? Thank y'all so much for watching, tuning in, supporting me, my brand, everything that I do and I stand for. I really appreciate you guys, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. But y'all, I look the way I look because I'm getting ready to go to bed, but I had to come and share this with y'all. I recently joined a mentorship, and I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of backstory. At the end of 2022, I joined a different salon space, and they had a prayer group, and we did this exercise where we wrote down some things that we were going to leave in 2022. And some stuff I wrote down were boundaries, working on my patience, procrastination, self-doubt, just to name a few. And it came to pass in 2023. And I was stripped from every title, everything, every aspect in life that you could think. It was started from scratch. So here I am in 2024. I feel like it was a year of redemption and restoration. And it has felt good to revive myself and rejuvenate myself. So I started the mentorship, and I'm self-taught. I went to beauty school, but they didn't teach me much of anything. And that's not to say that beauty school didn't teach me absolutely nothing, because it taught me something, but it just wasn't what I would have liked. So yeah, I may or may not do another video on that, but we'll see. So I was just very like, do I want to do this? Do I want to spend this kind of money? Because y'all, mentorship is not cheap. Any investment you make into your business is not cheap, but that's the thing, it's an investment. So I am a salon owner now, and I will be working with the staff. So I wanted to make sure that I had all the resources possible so that I'm working in overflow and I'm able to pour into my staff, because you're not a boss if your team ain't eating. I tell people that all the time, like, how you gonna do this, how you gonna do that? I know the type of people that I'm gonna attract, because for one, I'm passionate about it. I'm not doing this just to come up on a couple dollars. I'm not doing this just to look good for Instagram. I'm not doing it for that. I'm doing it for service providers who genuinely want to work in a space where they can get a numerous of resources, such as counseling. I'll have a resource for that, because as service providers, we deal with so much of things. We deal with a numerous of things: financial advisors, financial literacy, credit building, credit restoration, credit repair, funding opportunities. And then now with my mentor, I'll have all of the business side of stuff, the marketing, the content creating, things like that, building anticipation, building a clientele. I'll have all those things to pour into my clients. I mean, not my clients, into my staff. So I feel like I'm going to be working at overflow, and I feel like that's what people are missing when it comes to opening up these salon spaces, opening up these salon suites. For one, the spaces are extremely small. I'm paying you, I went and looked at a space, and I won't disclose the name, but it was almost $400 a week, and the suite is not even half the size of my suite. So you're paying $400 a week for a space, and it's small. They're not telling you how to come in here and make the $400 a week and then some to retain the space, retain the lifestyle you're living, be able to pay your bills, be able to live a lifestyle that you want to live. They're not telling you how to do this. So you get in this space, you sinking, you working just to work. And I don't want that for my staff. I genuinely want them to eat in every aspect of life: spiritually, financially, emotionally, physically. I want them to thrive. So that's why I'm doing it. And I hope that I'm able to, well, I'm not going to say I hope. I know that as long as my intentions are pure, if my reasonings are pure, if I'm really passionate about it, I know I'm going to attract what I'm giving out. I've never done anything average. With anything I put my name on. Nothing that I do is average. I'm always going to give you above and beyond. I'm always going to be real. I'm always going to be raw. I'm always going to be authentic. But I'm not going to make you feel away or make you feel like down on yourself. I'm always wanting to help the next person improve. That's my friends, my family, whoever. I want to see you win, because it becomes a strain on the one winner to make sure that everybody is in from their one winner's plate. Versus if I know all this information and I give it to my staff member, then they can pour and they can use those resources and they can get whatever out of those resources, and then they can go and teach it to somebody, and then it just creates a ripple effect. So yeah, today was day one. I'm very excited. I'm super excited. I'm ready to work. I'm actually getting ready to go back over the stuff, kind of take my notes and stuff like that. And yes, y'all, like this year, well, yeah, I kind of set myself up to be ready for 2025. But I'm telling y'all, if y'all hated me then, y'all really gonna hate me now. But nevertheless, I thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next clip, because y'all know we got to get this shop up and running. Mwah. Y'all, I look so crazy. But all right, y'all, it's day 2 of mentorship. Or is it day 3? It's day 2 of mentorship. And y'all, I can just truly say it is so amazing. In just 2 days, y'all, in just 2 days, I have seen so much progression in myself, in my business, in my brand. And the biggest is yet to come. Like, y'all gotta be ready for this. But y'all, I took my hair down because y'all know how I feel about hair. If you get the itches too bad, it gotta come off. So I took my hair down. I'm headed to the shop because I made a post letting people know that I got stuff in the shop that was left. I need it gone. I need you to come get it. And I need it gone. And I need you to come get it today. So I'm headed to the shop. I'm getting ready to get ready. That's why I got this hat on my head and I look crazy. But I'll see y'all in just a second once I make it to the shop. So, okay, you guys. So I know y'all probably like, why do this girl look like this? What in the heck is going on? But y'all know I bought my handy paint sprayer. Okay, I bought this probably like, I don't even know, probably like 2 weeks ago maybe. And I'm just putting it to use. I have a little bit of paint left, so I'm finna go ahead and use what I have to go ahead and start on one of the rooms in here with painting. Y'all, I'm super excited. I figured out how to work a paint sprayer. Y'all in trouble now, baby. Real deal. So let me just show y'all what we working with right now. So this is just a little test spot I did. And y'all, I don't know why it appears like this gray black color, but I'm gonna roll with it. And as y'all see, I tried to do see how it would look on the edges, but the brush that I had wasn't no good. And like I said, I'm not tripping about the border because I'm going to be removing it and I'm getting another one. So I'm not too upset about that. But that's our test spot. Now with this paint sprayer, I did get this from Walmart, and I was just trying to kind of get the hang of using a paint sprayer. Y'all, this is a lot of work, but it does make the job 10 times easier. I was able to do this a lot faster. I like how it gives it an even coat, and I just like how the product applies. You do have to give it time to dry, which I feel like it dries so much faster this way as well. But this is a fun activity to do. And if you are somebody who is looking to start your business, you want to do something, you're scared, you're nervous, you don't know, you're unsure, you don't feel like you're ready, just do it. Just jump out on faith. Because I'm going to be honest, I was nervous too about doing the entire project, but I did it. It looks great. I'll be finished very soon. The suites will be filled very soon, and I can start to work on the booths in the salon floor area. Now I am going to have to go in and do a second coat on this wall for the simple fact that it was a lot of glitter and it needs to be covered a little bit more. it looks kind of textured, and it is gonna look textured, but you can tell that it needs another coat once it's dry, and I'll show y'all that in another clip. But so far so good. I'm super excited. All right, you guys, so this is the wall that now that I'm done with what I have. I didn't go all the way up. I was working on this wall and trying to figure out how to actually work the sprayer. So I do know that I'm going to have to go in on this wall more than once, just for the simple fact that it has a texture to it, and it looks like the paint was kind of running on this side. So now that I know how to maneuver it, I know what to do to go in and fix that. This was just half of a bucket, so half of the gallon bucket, and I used what I had again, like I said, and these were the results. So far so good. It looks so great. And y'all, I did this in probably would have been like 20 to 25 minutes, maybe a little bit more. I wasn't really counting, but you know, it pretty much did about that much of the room. I'm trying to get it, but y'all, this is pretty big room. But yeah, I've done that. So now I'm out of this color paint, so I'm going to go back to Home Depot today and get 2 more buckets, see where that leads us, and then I'm going to be painting this room next. And we started by peeling the paint off of this wall because it was already bubbling, y'all. And as y'all can see, this is brick, but it was bubbling, and literally we used a little scraper and it was coming literally right off the wall. This TV, it does work, and it will be going in my suite. I have to get some more putty to fill those holes there. I did start to try to fill the ones over here. This right here, y'all, it just look a mess. But this what we working with right now. This will be someone's suite very, very soon, and they'll be able to deck it out. I kind of want this space for someone who is comfortable. Oh shit, I forgot that was right there. I kind of want this space for someone who is comfortable with having their door open, because this is the way to the bathroom. But yeah, this is the suite for now, and when we come back, it'll be better. And that looks like that because, y'all, I couldn't figure out how to get the primer out of the paintbrushes, so I boiled the water in my kettle, and then I poured it in the bucket and made like a little concoction for it so it could come off. But yeah, and I have a little bit more time, so I'm about to paint this while I have the time and with the amount of paint that I have. So this right here is the entire bucket of paint. I'm finna try to paint this while I can. Like I said, I didn't care about getting paint on the outlets. I didn't care about getting paint on the border or on the floors that much, because all of this will be going out. I actually found the little roller borders on Amazon, so I'll be ordering that soon, along with some black outlet covers. So I'll be showing y'all that soon as well. But y'all, I'm so super excited. I'm seeing the progress. I met with my mentor today. I feel great. And the best is yet to come. I'm so ready to see what the new year has in store for me. All right, you guys, so this is where I'm at so far with this room. I'm not gonna lie, I am kind of exhausted because the type of sprayer that I have, it's not wireless, so I do have to plug it in and move from side to side, and my arms are short, and I'm very short, so this can be kind of exhausting. But this is what it looks like so far. I hate that this reflection is on here, because how that looks patchy right there is not patchy. But this is what it's looking like so far. And I just went through where I was kind of standing up at. But I really wish I could see it better without that reflection on there. But anywho, I still have so much more to go in this room. As y'all can see, but I'm just taking it one step at a time. I did end up selling the other shampoo bowl today, so thank God for that. Like I said, I still have to paint all of this. Once I'm done painting the other two rooms and this big room, kind of making it a little bit more presentable and up to my liking, I will go ahead and start painting the bathroom. So I'm going to show y'all what the bathroom looks like. And y'all, please be mindful when I show y'all this bathroom, okay? So here's the bathroom. And the colors that I'm going for in here are the emerald green. I'm more so going towards more of like a nude kind of woody like vanity in here. I'm definitely getting a new toilet. I was just going to keep the toilet that we have and put a lid on it. But I don't want it, y'all. It's just not giving for me. I don't want that. I'll have gold accessories. I'll have my little light. The black mirror that's in there now will be in here. I've kind of taken out all of the old like stuff that was in here, like that little thing. It will not come out, and this is super hard to come out. But I took all the other stuff off. So yeah, guys, we're coming along. I'm super excited. And the good thing about this, and I know y'all see kind of like the little patches where I kind of filled in the holes in the wall, but I'm not too tough worried about it because I'm thinking of doing full body mirrors and then the station, so I'm not really tripping about it. What else was I about to say? Dang, I lost my whole train of thought. I hate that. I hate when it happens. But yeah, this where we at. When I figure out what it is I was gonna say, I'll do that. But this where we at right now, and this is the mirror that will be in the bathroom above the vanity. And yes, y'all, I'm super excited to start making this place come to life because it can be so draining walking into here knowing that this place is not up to your standards. Like, if you know me, you know this is nowhere near my standards. But I'm grateful, I'm thankful, and most of all, baby, we is getting some progress done. Do y'all see that? Period. Day 3 of mentorship. So far, so good. Off to run some errands first. Okay, y'all. So I finally left the doctor. Had a little checkup today. My annual. Yes, I just got a little checkup. Like every girl should be going to the doctor. But anywho, now we're in Home Depot getting paint. So yeah, but yeah, we in here getting the paint now, y'all. He mixing it up, and we finna go paint. Hopefully this don't copyright me, but y'all, I keep forgetting. I'm so sorry. We is in Harbor. Stop watching me. We are in Harbor Freight, and I think I'm saying it right. Freight, whatever. We in here, and we getting a few items. Then we headed to the shop so we can finish painting. And yes, I'm so excited. So y'all, once we made it to the shop, it was crunch time. This is what the wall looked like once it was dry. And yes, y'all, we came in here ready to work, ready to get the job done. And as y'all can see, we got to it. We probably were in here maybe an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. I don't even think it was that long because we were working so diligently. I did this room and my boyfriend did the back room. And y'all will see that in the next clip. But this was only 1 gallon in this room. And this was 2 gallons in this room. I thank y'all so much for watching. Mwah!